Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school blocks. Many educational institutions use network restrictions to guide student focus and ensure a secure online experience. These blocks can prevent access to various websites and applications. We'll start by understanding the common methods schools use to implement these restrictions, which is crucial for effectively navigating around them. Our goal is to provide you with practical, up-to-date strategies. Schools commonly employ several methods to block content, including firewalls, content filters, and DNS restrictions. Knowing these techniques helps us choose the right approach. One popular solution is using a virtual private network, or VPN, which encrypts your data and hides your IP address, making it difficult for the network to identify and block your traffic. Another option involves web proxies, which can reroute your connection through a different server. For more persistent blocks, consider advanced strategies. Portable browsers or specific browser extensions can sometimes bypass simpler content filters by altering how your browser interacts with websites. For a more secure and reliable method, setting up your own SSH tunnel can create a private, encrypted connection, effectively bypassing many network restrictions. Remember, it's always important to be mindful of your school's guidelines regarding internet usage. As you explore these methods, always prioritize your academic work and use these tools responsibly. While many free VPNs and proxies exist, exercise caution, as some might log your data or contain malware. It's crucial to choose reputable services. Furthermore, network security is constantly evolving, so regularly updating your tools and staying informed about new bypassing techniques will help you maintain consistent access. Stay safe and informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.